How to use pressed garlic to reverse eyesight loss without glasses or surgery. Everything goes away with time, including your eyesight. Macular degeneration affects many people, and is most common in Caucasian women over the age of 50. Although one of the main causes of eyesight loss is due to aging, there are many lifestyle choices that you can make that either reduce or increase your chance of suffering from macular degeneration. One of the lifestyle changes that you can easily make is adding certain foods to your diet. Here are some foods that can help prevent macular degeneration. 1. Garlic. Cholesterol reduction. A recent study conducted by the Harvard Medical School has suggested that lowering levels of cholesterol may help reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. This is due to the fact that, in age-related macular degeneration, fat deposits build up under the retina, which causes blurring or blindness to occur in the center of your field of vision. According to the study, 23 patients with age-related macular degeneration were given high doses of Lipitor, a drug that reduces cholesterol levels. In 10 of those patients, the fat deposits under their retina disappeared and they experienced improvement in vision clarity. This is when garlic comes into play. Instead of taking Lipitor or statins that have many harmful side effects, the Annals of Internal Medicine states that eating even half a clove of garlic per day can significantly reduce total cholesterol levels. This is due to the fact that the compounds that are present in garlic prevent cholesterol synthesis. Blood pressure reduction. Blood pressure plays a big role in terms of age-related macular degeneration. This is due to the fact that having high blood pressure restricts blood flow, something which severely affects the activity of the retina. The retina requires a high rate of oxygen supply, so if you reduce the blood supply that delivers this oxygen, then you reduce the chance of maintaining healthy eyesight. According to the Cochrane database of systematic reviews, 2 randomized controlled studies show that garlic significantly helped reduce mean supine systolic blood pressure. In conclusion, garlic is an overall effective remedy to help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Try crushing or pressing your garlic, as this action releases more of the beneficial compounds found in garlic. Garlic is cheap and easily available and can be consumed in many different ways. It is also a natural food, which means that it will not cause any of the side effects that commonly accompany OTC drugs. If you want to ensure that you have good eyesight for the rest of your life, start increasing your garlic intake today. How to eat pressed garlic. Before you go to bed at night, prepare this magic potion. Use a garlic presser to press 2 cloves of fresh garlic. Let the pressed garlic be exposed to the air for a few minutes while you wash up your presser. Pressing releases the enzyme alliinase in the garlic. Gather the pressed garlic onto a tablespoon and swallow the garlic with water. The garlic will travel your entire digestive tract while you sleep and scavenge and neutralize all the toxins, carcinogens, harmful bacteria, fungi, viruses, foreign chemical before the toxins can harm your healthy cells. Swallowing the chopped garlic will not give you garlic breath, as long as you don't chew it. In the morning, drink a big glass of water. Your first bowel movement will have a strong garlic odor and you will know that the harmful stuff have been eliminated from your body. 2. Salmon. Omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is a great source of all 3 different types of omega-3 fatty acids. Why this matters is that, according to the National Eye Institute, a byproduct of the fatty acids found in fish oil is incredibly beneficial for eye health. Researchers found that macular diseases caused by abnormal blood vessel growth can be prevented by a byproduct found in docosahexaenoic acid, one of the omega-3 fatty acids. Researchers believe that it may prevent the condition by inhibiting abnormal growth of the blood vessels that cause these eye problems. 3. Carrots. Beta-carotene. Yes, the old adage about carrots benefiting your eye health is true. This is because carrots are a rich source of beta-carotene. Inside the body, beta-carotene converts into vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin A is necessary to prevent a variety of eye diseases, as many people who are vitamin A deficient suffer from night blindness, spotty vision, dryness of the eyes and ulcers. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.